Would you like something to drink? Would you like me to open the door? Can I help you? Can I give you a hand? Let me help you. Would you like me to answer the phone? Do you want some more tea? Do you want me to turn down the TV? I'd be happy to take you to the airport. May I offer you a cup of coffee? Yes, please. Yes, I'd love to. Yes, that would be great. Yes, please, that would be lovely. Yes, if you wouldn't mind. That's very kind of you. That sounds nice. Thank you, I'd like to. No thanks. It's okay, I can do it myself. Thank you for your kindness, but I can do it myself. Don't worry, I can do it. Can I ask you a question? May I use your computer? May I come in? Could I take a look at your book? Do you mind if I turn down the TV? Do you mind if I use your phone? Would you mind if I opened the window? If you don't mind, I'd like to smoke. I wonder if I could borrow your car for a few days. Would it be all right if I borrowed your phone? Sure. Sure, go ahead. No problem. Yes, you can. Please feel free. I don't mind. I'm afraid not. I'm afraid that you can't. I'm sorry, but that's not possible. No, you cannot. You couldn't do that. You can't do that. Sorry, you are not permitted. You should try to learn English every day. I think you should go home early. Why don't you join an English club? You'd better wake up early. Let's have dinner together. What about having a cup of coffee with me? How about going to the cinema? Don't you think it would be a good idea to have a picnic this Sunday? If I were you, I'd call her. I suggest that you take a nap. You may want to try on this t-shirt. Perhaps you could take an umbrella with you. I strongly advise you to do more workout. I recommend that you get some rest. It's better for you to sleep a little more. Thanks, I'll do it. It sounds good. That sounds like a good idea. Thanks, it's a good suggestion. I think you're right. Why didn't I think of that? No, I'd rather not. I don't think so. I don't feel like it. No, I don't think it's a good idea. What a bad idea! That's too bad. That's so sad. I'm sorry. What bad luck. I hope things get better soon. It will be okay soon. I hope you feel better soon. What a pity. What a pity for you. Oh, that's terrible. Be patient. It will be better soon. I can't tell you how sorry I am. Oh, I am sorry to hear that. I know how it feels. I take my sympathy to you. You must be very upset about it. I sympathize with your condition. It's very kind of you. Thank you very much. It will be okay, thanks. Thanks for your sympathy. Thanks for your support.